In today's video, I am super excited to show you my new large swipe tool. So if you like what you see, stick around and check it out. Hey everybody, just gonna jump in and get started today. I've got a 14 by 18 canvas and I will be using my new bigger size swipe tool. Super excited to show you guys how it works. Gonna just show you the colors here: Extreme Sheen Copper, Extreme Sheen Bronze, Extreme Sheen 24 Karat Gold. I've also got Deco Art Dazzling Metallics Peacock Pearl with Winsor & Newton Deep Turquoise, Liquitex Basics Mars Black mixed with Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black. And then for my swipe color, or my cell activator color, is Amsterdam Lamp Black mixed with Floetrol only, and that is 1 teaspoon of the black and 3 tablespoons of Floetrol. And all my other colors are mixed with my regular pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. And the way that I usually mix that is 50% Liquitex pouring medium, 40% Floetrol, and then 10% water. And all of these colors were mixed. It was 1 part paint to about 1.5 parts of my pouring medium. And of course you can adjust the consistency to your liking. If you like it a little bit thinner, go ahead and add a little bit more pouring medium. And of course if you like it a little bit thicker, a little less pouring medium, but this is just what I like. Everybody's different. Alright, so I'm just going to continue to cover the canvas there. And for those of you that are new to my channel, I do hope that I can earn your subscription today. And for those of you that already subscribe, I do really thank you and appreciate you guys watching and continuing to watch my videos. Alright, so here we go with the getting ready to swipe. I'm taking my cell activator and putting it down and then dipping. You can see I dipped the end of my big swipe tool. It's a little bit harder to work with as far as dipping because normally I dip in a lid or something like that. This one's a little too big to do that, so I put it right down on my table there. And look at how nice that swipes. Now you can see that I did miss a little bit, a spot there, so you have to make sure that you put even amount of pressure on the whole thing. And look at how nice that just glides right over, and those cells are developing so nice. And then of course you can use a smaller size and go over the ends or anywhere you want to just touch up a bit. Works really good. Alright, so now I'm going to switch it around. I've got my canvas levelers under there. You can see how easy that is to lift your canvas and move and set it back down right on the canvas levelers. And I'm just going to continue to dip my swipe tool in my cell activator, and I'm gonna let you guys enjoy watching these cells develop, listen to the music, and I'll be back in a jiff. Alright everybody, here we go with the dried photos, and I am super happy with how this dried. The colors are so pretty. It's got almost like a patina look to it. So I love, love, love that. And I hope you guys love it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with someone you think may enjoy it. And if you're interested in my larger swipe tool as well as any of my other 3D printed products, they are available in my Etsy shop, and the link is in the description, of course, so check that out. I do have paintings for sale as well. If you don't see it in my Etsy shop, you can go ahead and email me at tracielreed@icloud.com. All right, and I have a bunch more videos I know you will enjoy, and I'll catch you in the next one.